Water pans are a popular tool among smoking enthusiasts for a variety of reasons. They are placed inside the smoker to hold water, which serves a dual purpose. It adds moisture to the cooking environment and helps in maintaining a consistent temperature. The concept is simple yet effective, as the steam generated from the water offers an additional layer of flavor and tenderness. By incorporating a water pan, you can achieve more succulent results while preventing your meat from drying out. This introductory discussion sets the foundation for understanding the numerous benefits that water pans can bring to your smoking experience. Using a water pan in your smoker significantly enhances moisture retention in the meat. As the water heats up, it evaporates, creating steam that permeates the cooking environment. This steam helps maintain humidity levels, preventing the meat from drying out during the long smoking process. By keeping the surface of the meat moist, it not only enhances the overall texture, but also allows for more effective penetration of smoke flavor. Ultimately, this leads to juicier, more flavorful results, ensuring that each bite is tender and packed with taste. One of the key advantages of using a water pan in your smoker is its ability to help regulate temperature. As the water heats, it acts as a thermal mass, absorbing heat and stabilizing the cooking environment. This buffer effect helps prevent rapid temperature fluctuations that can adversely affect the smoking process. Maintaining a consistent temperature is crucial for achieving optimal cooking results, as it ensures even cooking throughout the meat. By minimizing temperature spikes, water pans contribute to a more controlled smoking experience, allowing for perfectly smoked dishes every time. Using a water pan in your smoker not only helps maintain moisture, but also enhances the flavor of your smoked dishes. As the water heats up, it absorbs some of the smoke particles, which then infuse into the steam produced. This steam carries flavorful compounds throughout the cooking chamber, resulting in a richer taste that penetrates the meat. The water pan effectively acts as a flavor vessel, adding depth and complexity to the overall profile of your barbecue. This unique interplay between steam and smoke ensures every bite is both succulent and full of character, elevating your barbecuing experience. Incorporating a water pan in your smoker significantly simplifies cleanup and maintenance. As meat cooks, it releases drippings that can create a messy environment inside the smoker. The water pan effectively catches these drippings, preventing them from accumulating and sticking to the smoker's surfaces. This containment not only minimizes the mess, but also reduces the risk of flare-ups caused by fat drippings hitting hot surfaces. Additionally, cleaning a single water pan is far easier than scrubbing burnt-on residue from the smoker itself. This feature allows for a more enjoyable and stress-free smoking experience.